If you're looking to get an SEO job or jobs as an SEO freelancer, one thing that can really help to boost your resume and make you look like a good candidate is to have SEO certifications. Now you might think, I didn't know that was a thing. Are there SEO certifications? Yes. SEMRush offers SEO certifications for free. And unlike other kinds of certifications that might take you like 6 months of going to classes or a year of going to classes and then you get certified, from SEMRush you get certifications in like 1 day. So the URL to do this is semrush.com/academy/certification. And as you can see, you'll go to this page, Advance Your Career with Industry Recognized Digital Marketing Certificates. And it says here, get certified for free. So you click that and you'll see that you can get certified on all these topics. You can browse these items. You can also search for a topic. And then all you have to do is take a class. For example, here are 20 lessons. It's all 1 hour. So it's a 1 hour class in 20 little videos, very fast to get through. Usually they are very basic, like very basic. Courses from SEMrush are extra basic. Like if you take any of my SEO courses, these courses here should be like laughably easy because they're not even really courses. It's just usually somebody talking. Now, different courses are made differently and maybe some are different than others, but usually they're really easy courses. You click on Start Learning. Now, they ask you to log in and sign in. My understanding is that you can create a free account and actually take these courses for free. If not, if they require you to have an account, you can have a 7-day free trial with SEMrush. Everybody signs up with a 7-day free trial. Just make sure you stop the trial soon enough so that they don't bill you. But I also have an affiliate partnership with SEMrush. So if you go to problemio.com, that's my website, problemio.com SEMrush, it redirects you to a place you see that gives you an extra week of 14-day trial. Now, I don't make money from this because obviously you're not planning to stay as a customer here. You're just planning to take these courses and get the certificate and then cancel the account. So I wouldn't be making money here, but this is a way for you to get an extra week free trial with SEMrush if you want it, if you think it will help you, if the courses and certificates require you to have a paid account with SEMrush. But at the end of the day, what you'll end up with are SEO certificates from a really good brand in the industry, SEMrush, and you'll be able to put that on your resume or on your online profile. And even though these are like laughably easy to get, the people who will be looking at your resume don't know that. To them, it will look like, oh, a legitimate certificate from a good brand. So it will be much more impressive than what it actually is.